Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. I Nikita Kaushik welcome you all in the curriculum online classes. So kids, before we start, as we have read the second lesson, what we were reading? Yes, the second lesson of our textbook that was always late, right? That was the story. So before starting the second part of the same story, let us recapitulate what we have learned in our previous video. We have learned how many characters were there? There were 4 characters: Abby, James, Mum and Dad. Who were they? Abby, James, Mum and Dad. And what happened in the story? Yes, what happened? They were always late. Who were always late? Abby and James for their swimming lessons. And by whom they were late? They were late just because of Dad's old watch. Why? Because it was slow and always stuck on the wrong time. And they went late. Yes. So now how that problem was solved, let us read in this second part. So let's start. Be ready with your stationery and don't forget to repeat after me. We will buy, B-U-Y, buy Dad a new watch for his birthday. Said Mum, how can he be late then? We will buy Dad a new watch for his birthday. Said Mum, how can he be late then? On his birthday, birthday, Dad opened his present, okay, and smiled. On his birthday, Dad opened his present and smiled. A new watch, he said. How nice! He turned to Mum. How did you get the idea? How did you get the idea that I wanted a new watch? How did you get the idea that I want a new watch? Mum hugged him and laughed. What is it? Laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. Abby and James laughed too. Next week, Abby and James were not late. Dad waved his new watch. At the coach. That is how to be on time. He laughed. After the lesson, Abby and James jumped. After the lesson, Abby and James jumped. Underline this jumped. Jumped means to jump into Dad's old car. Jumped means to kudna, okay? Jumped into Dad's old car. Dad tried to start the car, but it would not go. Sorry, cried Dad. Now we need to buy a new car. That is how this story ends. Now I'll tell you again what actually happened in Hindi as well. We will buy dad a new watch for his birthday, said mom. How can he be late then? Mom ने बोला, हम डैड को एक नई वॉच खरीद के दे देते हैं. एक क्या खरीद के देते हैं? वॉच खरीद के देते हैं. तो वो कैसे लेट होंगे फिर? If we'll get the new watch, वो खराब भी नहीं होगी, स्लो भी नहीं होगी. That will tell the correct time. That will not get stuck like the old watch. On his birthday, Dad opened his present and smiled. जब डैड का बर्थडे आया, बर्थडे पे उन्होंने क्या प्रेजेंट किया था उन्हें? Yes, present means here present means gift. Present means gift. What was the gift? A new watch. Who gave? किसने दिया था? जेम्स एंड एबी. और आइडिया किसका था? मम का. They all three planned up to gift a present, to gift a new watch to dad. And as he opened his present on his birthday, and he smiled. A new watch, नई घड़ी. Oh God, how nice. He turned to mom. How did you get the idea that I wanted a new watch? Dad suddenly turned to mom and said, How did you get the idea? तुम्हें कैसे पता चला कि मुझे वॉच चाहिए थी? Mom hugged him and laughed. Abby and James laughed too. Mom ने डैड को हग किया and said और हंसी, and Abby and James laughed too. Next week, Abby and James were not late. Next week क्या हुआ? वो लेट नहीं थे. Dad waved his new watch at the coach. और डैड ने क्या किया? अपना हैंड वेव किया. और हैंड नहीं था, एक्चुअली ही वॉज शोइंग हिज न्यू वॉच. ओके, और किसे शो किया? किसे वेव कर रहे थे वो? एज यूजुअल टू द कोच. दैट इज हाउ टू बी ऑन टाइम. ही लाफ्ड. ऐसे आते हैं टाइम पे. यस. आफ्टर द लेसन, एबी एंड जेम्स जम्प्ड इनटू डैड्स ओल्ड कार. आफ्टर द लेसन, जब लेसन से वो वापस आए तो वो कहाँ गए? डैड की ओल्ड कार में कूद के बैठ गए. डैड ट्राइड टू स्टार्ट द कार बट इट वुड नॉट गो. डैड ने बहुत ट्राई किया कार स्टार्ट करने का, पर वो नहीं चली. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? लेट्स सी. सॉरी, क्राइड डैड. नाउ वी नीड टू बाय अ न्यू कार. सॉरी, डैड ने फिर से कहा, आई एम सो सॉरी, ये नहीं चलने वाली और अब हमें एक नई कार खरीदनी पड़ेगी. दैट इज़ हाउ दिस स्टोरी ऑल एंडेड. एंड प्लीज़ रीड इट आउट एंड प्लीज़ कम विद मोर क्वेरीज एंड please do this exercise as well as you have seen. Yes, see, here we have in the page number 23, here you have tick the correct sentences and cross out the incorrect ones. As I have read, I have explained the complete story to you all, so I hope you can do these exercises. Let me read one. Abby and James were always late. Abby and James were always late. वो हमेशा लेट होते थे? Yes, they were always late. Then what's next? Dad took Abby and James for their swimming lessons. Who took them to their swimming lessons? कौन लेकर जाता था उन्हें swimming lessons? Dad लेकर जाते थे? Yes, so it is also a correct sentence. Mom gave Dad a new car as a gift. Mom ने कार दी थी गिफ्ट में? No, it was a watch. Yes. Dad was unhappy to see the birthday present. Dad unhappy थे birthday present देखने के बाद. Was he unhappy? Unhappy means to be sad. तो वो unhappy थे क्या? वो sad थे? No, he was happy. As I have told you, he smiled when he saw the present. Then the coach was happy and Abby and James' dad. The coach was happy with Abby and James' dad. Coach was happy with Abby and Jane's dad? Yes, at last he was happy. So, in this way, you have to do this exercise by your own, and one more activity for you all. This, here you can see, in the page number 24, there is a family tree. And here you have the names of the family members. Okay? Please do it sequence wise, who comes first and who is the elder to younger one. Okay, you need to synchronize them. सबसे बड़ा सबसे बड़े से छोटा in the descending order. Okay, so for more videos, till then stay tuned. Please do like, share and subscribe for our channel. Thank you.